Forget those make 10K daily videos. I actually tested 9 money making apps and two of them actually shocked me. I tested all of them so you don't need to waste your time. This they actually work. I've actually spent a year trying different money making apps that claims to pay money through referrals, surveys, tax, and some of them were total trash, but some of them actually sent me money. So I managed to gather all of them and put in this video. So I'm going to show you guys all the apps in details and how it works and everything. So the first app is Remote Task. In this app, you can earn through labeling images, reviewing AI outputs, and also drawing objects around the box. It's very yeah, it's confusing, but you need to pass a short training for you to start using the app to earn. So remote tax pay through PayPal, but if you're not in all this allowed country, they will allow you to use Payoneer. That's if you're in African countries. But if you're in other countries, you can use your PayPal. So the second app we have is Upwork. Upwork is like a freelance platform for writers, designers, video editors, programmers. You know, like you create a profile, then you like I've used Upwork and I've gotten some jobs from it. You create a profile, then you sign in, and then just basically you if you have a CV, just paste it there. You design, make sure that your profile is very designed, and they pay through Payoneer direct deposits. That's all I think. So the next app is Fiverr. That is another freelancing platform. Like you offer services like logo designs, TikTok editing, thumbnails, voiceovers. Then you put your gigs and buyers will come to you. This one is very easy. Just post and buyers will come to you. You don't need to look for buyers or anything. So they pay through Payoneer and PayPal. The link to get the app like is in the description. So if you want to get the fever, just the description below. That's where you're going to get the app from. The next app is Clickworker. This Clickworker you can end by doing small jobs like writing short text, taking surveys, testing app, or labeling images. So like you can get from testing apps, all these surveys and all these things. And yeah, they pay through PayPal. But this app has a minimum amount to pay. You have to like reach a minimum level to pay. So it's not for some African countries, but if you're in other countries that are not Africa, I think you can do it. I'm giving you guys detailed description so you guys cannot fall for any trick or anything. All these apps are trusted, and if you want to register, don't register as a customer. Register as a click worker. I think I'm going to put the link. I don't know, but if I can get the link, I'll post it in my description. But all the links, if you want to get the apps, but the one I'm going to put in my description are the links that I'm sure they're going to get money from it, and you're going to come back here and tell me that yes, you got money from this. So the next app is user testing. They pay you to test websites and apps. You can record your screen and voice while giving feedback. Like you test, like when a new app come out, you just test it and you just give feedback about the app and you just show your screen. So they're going to know, yes, yeah, you are testing this. But when I tried to sign in, it was full for my country. Like they have already gotten people, so you can be lucky to get accepted in this app. So the next app, they can pay you through PayPal. Like you can get $4 to $10 per test, like per a test per test by app. You can get $4 to $10 and they pay you through your PayPal. So the next app is Swagbox. Swagbox for non-Nigerians and Timebox for Nigerians and African countries. That's Timebox you can use Swagbox, but Timebox is better. Swagbox, you can get paid for simple stuff, watching videos, answering surveys, and trying few free offers. Like you can just do anything. It works globally, but Timebox is for Nigerians. Get. So they pay you through PayPal, Bitcoin, or bank transfer. That's for Timebox. But Swagbox, I think they pay through PayPal and Bitcoin. Yeah. So the link my description. So this one I'm going to talk about now is Temu. Temu, you guys, that app. Some people don't know that Temu you can get money through Temu, not just by doing different things. If you have a social media app, like if you have a social media app, Just link it, then you just start earning money by you can perform, you can do videos like do videos ads for them and they pay you, or you can refer your friends and they pay you a commission. This is a screenshot of my balance, and this is the one that is in my demo credit balance. I can use this one and buy anything I want to buy. If I actually want to put it there. If I want to withdraw it to my bank, to transfer it to my bank, but I put it in my demo credit balance, so it's going to be easier for me to buy things. And anytime you face someone, like you give someone the product to buy, they're going to give you amount. Let's say now you give somebody like they're selling a let's say a laptop there, and then you give someone like you transfer the link of the laptop to someone, you're going to get like a minimum commission they're going to give you for transferring this, and it's going to go back to your balance and you can withdraw it to your bank account. The link is still in my description if you want to get it. Then this one you guys know it because it's on this app. This is YouTube Shorts monetization. When your channel meets like 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you're going to get monetized, and you can just get money by watching, like, yeah, from ads. You do when you watch ads or something like that, they're going to pay you. I'm not monetized yet. I'm almost close to get monetized, so very soon I'm going to give you guys a detailed explanation on it. So they're going to pay you through. They're going to pay you monthly via AdSense to your bank account. They're going to pay you so AdSense. The next app is TikTok. TikTok pays creators for making original videos that gets high views in few countries. Like I'm a TikToker. My country that does not offer monetization for my account. So, but I get paid through, like when a brand comes to you and tell you that they want to do an ad, that's what I get. But if in other countries where you get a minimum views or anything, they're going to pay you. Like UK, US, and other countries, they're going to pay you to your account, to your PayPal. I think that's all. So before you waste your time watching random money making videos, try these apps, and I'm very sure they're going to get money from one of them. And just leave a comment for questions on things that you don't understand. Please subscribe so you don't miss my next video.